Ever feel like you're drowning in a sea of spreadsheets just trying to keep track of your sales prices? Constantly flipping through pages, scrambling to find the right quote for that next big deal? There's got to be a better way. Enter Zoho price lists, your potential secret weapon for streamlined sales and a whole lot less paper-induced meltdowns. So what exactly is a Zoho price list? In simple terms, it's a digital vault that stores all your product or service prices in one, easily accessible location. But it's so much more than just a glorified price sheet. Here's the magic. Zoho price lists let you create different versions with specific pricing structures. Need to offer wholesale discounts to bulk buyers? No problem. Have a special promotion running for a limited time? Easy peasy. Zoho price lists give you the flexibility to cater to different customer segments and sales situations without the headache of manually updating individual quotes. But wait, there's more. Zoho price lists become true efficiency powerhouses when you integrate them with other Zoho applications like Zoho CRM and Zoho Invoice. Imagine this: a potential customer expresses interest in a product. You whip open their CRM profile, select the appropriate price list, and generate a personalized quote, all within seconds. That's the kind of sales magic Zoho price lists enable. Plus, once a quote is accepted, it automatically feeds into your Zoho invoice system, saving you the time and potential errors of manual data entry. Now, Zoho price lists aren't a one-size-fits-all solution. You can customize them to fit your specific needs. Want to add volume discounts for high-quantity purchases? Zoho price lists have you covered. Need to factor in shipping costs based on location? No sweat. Zoho price lists offer the flexibility to adapt to your unique sales model. So, is a Zoho price list the ultimate solution to all your sales woes? Well, maybe not. But it's a powerful tool that can streamline your quoting process, save you time, and impress your customers with its efficiency. With Zoho price lists on your team, you can spend less time wrestling with spreadsheets and more time closing deals and growing your business. Now, whether Zoho price lists are the right fit for you depends on your specific needs and workflow. But hopefully, this video has given you a good starting point to explore their potential. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.